how to turn on and off DEP on Windows 11. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, all you gotta do in order to turn on and off the DEP on your Windows 11 is come down to the magnifying glass or search icon in your taskbar, search for CMD, which will come back as the command prompt. For some reason, this is in German still. You can then right click and run as administrator, or come to the right here and click run as administrator. This will open up your command prompt. Now, in order to turn the DEP off, all you gotta do is copy and paste the commands I put in the description. The first one would turn it off. You then left click your white border of your command prompt, right click, edit, then paste. The alternative would be to delete all this and then paste using Control V. You could then turn it off. The operation completed successfully, and in order to turn it back on, you copy the on command, Control V, and then as you can see, always on. The one before was always off. Now click enter. The operation completed successfully. Now write exit. This exits the command prompt. You can then restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. That's how to turn on and off DEP on Windows 11. I hope I could help you out. If I did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.